right now. Are ya?
It's a very comfortable seat, wouldn't you agree? You can just
Hold my hand.
feel how comfortable it is on your back.
I want to see you though. Do you feel like you're secure?
You're very secure, trust me. It's a very smooth and comfortable ride. It's very fast and high, but it's also comfortable and smooth.
Okay.
All ready?
Oh, I didn't think we'd go upside down. We don't go upside down.
Can't hear you.
Okay. I'm just gonna shut my eyes. Here, there we go. This is your ridiculous.
All right, ladies, in 3, 2, 1.
Look at now, you can see the nice. Now we're slowing down. Open your eyes, Heather. We're good. I love it. Look at the sight, Heather. We're seeing the lights. I love it. Where are you? I'm here. Hi, Dan. Hi, Floyd. Is that a train coming at us? Here's Dan and Floyd. They're in Chili's drinking beer.